there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass.
Introducing the 2016 Scott Genius 750. It has a full aluminium frame weighing at approximately 13 kilograms. The shock is horizontal and not vertical, and I think it looks awesome. The suspension is covered by Fox and RockShox. The RockShox fork is running at 140 mm of travel, and the Fox X Fusion Nude is running at 150 mm of travel. And I must say they are a great combination. You can adjust the suspension with Scott's clever twin lock system. It has 3 different modes: fully open, fully closed and half open, which is really useful for getting max efficiency. The drivetrain is covered by Shimano. The rear derailleur is a Shimano SLX M670 Shadow 20 speed, and it has a tiny cassette almost like a road cassette. As we move on to the bars, they are aluminium and designed by Syncros in the total length of 750 mm. The grips are excellent, but we are probably gonna change the color because of the aesthetics. The bike originally comes with Shimano standard brakes, but we thought they aren't good enough, so we upgraded to Shimano XT brakes and soft braking pads in the combination with 180 mm disc rotors. Together they form a great team. We have a set of 27.5-inch Syncros wheels, made out of aluminium, working with Schwalbe Tuck Tom tires that have loads of grip and don't wear off so quickly. We also added a dropper seat post, which is probably the best option you can get for your bike, because you can always get the seat out of your way and you can lift it when you need it, so you can ride faster and easier. Now let's look at some of our best moments. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.
Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad, I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast, didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt.